If you're wondering how to add legal disclaimers before a signature, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. Whether you're dealing with contracts, agreements, or any legal document that requires a disclaimer, I've got you covered with this quick and simple guide. First, let's make sure you understand why adding a legal disclaimer before the signature is important. Legal disclaimers are there to protect both parties, ensuring that everyone involved is clear on the terms and conditions before they sign. This is especially crucial when you're handling contracts, agreements, or anything that holds legal weight. So you want to make sure your disclaimer is in the right place just before the signature so that it's not missed or overlooked. Now let's talk about the process. The first step is to prepare the disclaimer itself. You want to keep it clear, concise, and specific to the context of the agreement. A general disclaimer will work in most cases, but make sure it's tailored for the document you're working with. Once the disclaimer is ready, the next step is placement. If you're using software or a document editor, scroll down to just before the signature line. This is where you want to add your disclaimer, right before the final act of signing, so it's read and acknowledged. You can either insert the text directly or use a designated disclaimer field, depending on the software you're using. Now, if you're using an online signing tool or document software, you'll likely have an option to insert a clause or disclaimer field. This is typically a drag and drop feature that lets you place your disclaimer exactly where you want it. For those using PDF editors or word processors, simply type in your disclaimer and format it to ensure it's easily visible right before the signature space. One important thing to remember is that your disclaimer should be easy to read. Avoid long paragraphs. Break it into smaller chunks or bullets for clarity. You don't want to overwhelm anyone with complex language right before they sign. If you're using any popular e-signature platforms, there's usually an option to add a mandatory checkbox next to the disclaimer, ensuring that the signer acknowledges the disclaimer before moving on to the signature. This is an added layer of security and ensures that the disclaimer is seen. When you're all done, review the document one last time to ensure that everything is in place. Double check that the disclaimer is visible, readable, and appropriately positioned just before the signature. Now, if you're following along, I highly recommend checking out the software we'll be using in the description below. It comes with an exclusive free trial only for viewers of this channel. I've tested all the most popular options for adding legal disclaimers, and this one stands out because of its user-friendly interface and robust features. So, if you want to follow along or try it for yourself, make sure to grab that free trial link in the description. The key takeaway here is that adding legal disclaimers before a signature is a critical part of making sure everyone is on the same page legally. It's about clarity and protection. The process is simple. Prepare your disclaimer, place it just before the signature line, and double check that it's visible and easy to understand. And remember, using the right software can make this process even easier and more secure. Don't forget to take advantage of the free trial in the description. If you're looking to streamline your document signing process, it's definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.